Okay, as you can see, I just put my night vision thing on. Where should I put some TNT? Ooh, how about over here in the, yeah, right here. Right here sounds good. Got the redstone so I can get some, hey, look. Redstone, got redstone. Got redstone. Got redstone? I do. Alright, so then just gonna load this up. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. And then right over here. Oh, look. I found diamonds. Oh, yeah. I just found diamonds. That's amazing. Alright, if you guys can comment on how to get diamonds, how to, like, collect diamonds in creative mode, because I don't know how to do that. Thank you.